These are the elevators at the Wick parking deck at Youngstown State University in Youngstown, Ohio. Sorry, there's a lot of sterile construction. It's really noisy. These were recently modded by Otis. I don't know what these were originally. These might have been Dover or something else. One. Noise could start back up any second. It's really loud. It's much louder than the sound on camera. Here, go down. I think these are traction. Yeah, these are traction. These look like they were just modded. Probably just missed them.
First floor.
One. Up to 6. Sorry, it's not like I can go to a different floor. That noise is present everywhere, on every floor. It's coming from the 4th floor though. There's the bridge. We're at 6. Alright, it's the least noisy up here so far. Do another elevator here. And then no. Will that leave? No. Alright, back on 3. Door close does not work. Yeah, these are door. That's another door track. Okay, found it's a basic stainless steel cab. 1 social distance mark, so that's pretty useless. I think that's the other one.